Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over a coin, Ethereum, or a cryptocurrency. And right now on my chart, I have GBTC, guys. And this coin, or not coin, but this stock, GBTC Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, is already up in this territory, guys. So you have a good shot that the correction's probably over with GBTC down here at this bottom right here at 7. And it's already gone up, this spike up here of 61%. So if GBTC's bottom, you have a good shot that Bitcoin has too, guys. So you want to pay attention to that. See a lot of people just going over the Bitcoin chart. You want to pay attention to those proxies too to get a little bit more clues, because if MicroStrategy and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is bottom, you have a good shot that Bitcoin's done the same thing too. So here's Ethereum, guys. It's going up into this wave. I know a lot of people are still jumping in the shorts in this area. It's probably not a bad area to scale in, if you will, but I'm still expecting Ethereum to spike above that third wave. You can see the peak, and then this is what I'd be paying attention to right here, guys. Something like that, it looks like, and then I would expect another thrust up or something like that with Ethereum. And then potentially, if you just zoom out a little bit, this will be a little bit better deal right here with Ethereum too, is that boom right there. It'd be about like, what would that be? 1,700 possibly. So it could be heading right up to there, just based off this structure. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. And then back here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. Okay. Now here's the deal with Ethereum, guys. Now, one of the reasons with Ethereum, did it finish this correction in June? This is going to be very, very interesting in the cryptocurrency market, because you have Ethereum could have bottomed in June, and then you have Bitcoin over here bottom in January, more or less, right? Or December, whatever that time was with Bitcoin. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin. I think it could do a spike. It could have been done right there with this whole sequence, but I'm still just patiently waiting to see how this is going to play out. More than likely, it's going to have an aggressive dump, but remains to be seen with Bitcoin. Anyhow, in this area, okay, so here's the deal. Let's break this down. We'll go over a couple charts with Ethereum. So on the bearish side, obviously, if you're taking this with a bearish sequence, let me go to this chart right here on a weekly chart. I'll show you guys something. All right, here's the deal. Here's your bearish scenario with Ethereum, okay? We'll just go over that real quick. So you got your trend from here, and then it all the way down. It broke it, okay, on the weekly. So this is telling you whatever Ethereum is doing is new, okay? This was a sequence, and now it's out of there, and whatever it's in is new, okay? There's no doubt about that. There's a new trend. So the bearish count is that the bears will tell you this is a bounce. It's coming down. It's going to do another bounce. It's going to go to that trend line right there, 1,700, and then it's going to dump again, okay? You can't rule that out. That is a possibility. It's just kind of depend. However, let's take a look at the markets. Let's see. The Fed is, the markets are predicting that the Fed is going to probably pause in, March maybe? Somewhere right around there. Could be in February. Don't know yet. So more than likely, there's going to be a thrust up, okay, with Ethereum. Okay, so that's the bearish sequence. You want to keep that in the back of your mind. So at 1,700, probably won't be a good time to buy Ethereum, in my opinion. That'd be a time to see what's the reaction going to be. So with Ethereum, one of the reasons why I'm going to be kind of bullish on the cryptocurrency market, especially those AI tokens, guys. Those AI tokens are just blasting off. A lot of people probably think it's going to be hype. I think the hype with the AI tokens, I know I'm going off, digressing a little bit. I think they're going to be blasting all the way through 2023, guys. I really do, man. Their setups look really, really, really good. Most of them do. So I'm going off the chart. I'm not going off the fundamentals. They might be a shit coin for all I know, but I trade charts, and there's all kinds of shit coins that have blasted up, guys. So, I mean, there's undeniable. You can't deny that. So here's a wave with Ethereum. So the deal is, did the bottom go right here? Is that the bottom on Ethereum? Okay. You have that shot. Okay. So now here's Ethereum in this wave sequence. It's the same thing as Bitcoin, basically, right? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the same thing as Bitcoin is what I'd be checking out with Ethereum. Here's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a third wave potentially. And then behind this, okay, is your other wave. 1, 2, and then a 3, 4, probably up to 1,700 or something like that. Okay, more or less just like that. All right, so if you're a bear, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It corrects, and you'll get another one, just like Bitcoin, guys. If you're a bear, then this whole sequence right here and you don't know the answer to that yet. This could be ABC. Okay. I would say I'm going more towards it. Ethereum is going to do a correction, is going to get out of here. And that could have been the bottom, get over here, back down. The only issue that I do have with it is that if Ethereum comes in, it took it 57 days to do that move from here to here, okay? If Ethereum bottom is right there, okay, that's 100 days, more or less. 57 days up here, the bottom here in 100 days. That is very, very nice. And then Ethereum could be going into a third wave. If it's coming all the way and it swings all the way back down here, breaks that low, now you're talking about a time sequence is getting pretty long, guys. So let's say 179 days compared to this 57-day wave. That would be a definite concern with me. So right now I'm planning for Ethereum up here, and it's going to come back over here. Ethereum's going to be going into a third wave, kind of like the other assets right now, right? So let's say, let's take a look at this right here. We got a wave sequence that possibly Ethereum could be going into, right? Boom. And then it's going to come back over here, just like this. Okay. It's going to do a correction. Boom, boom, back over here. And then it could be going into that wave. So let's say here's Ethereum right here. Let's take another asset, right? You have a asset like Aptos bottom, right? Aptos, boom, 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 boom. It's up here, right? Ethereum finishes up here. Then Aptos does what? Boom, 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 boom. Back down here, kind of like Ethereum. And then Ethereum, Aptos third wave. And then potentially right here with Ethereum, guys, is you got 1, 2, and then it'll be going into a 3 of a 3 potentially, okay? And you probably don't want to miss that. That could be a very strong wave. Let me put this. Well, let me put that back. Let me put that back. Right here, just a second. Just like this. 1, a 2, and then this would be the main third wave over here. Let me put the wave on there so you can see it real quick. So if that was the bottom, then this whole process is a wave 1, and then it'll be going into a 3 of a 3. And you probably don't want to miss that. So if Ethereum is going to be doing that, guys, think about that. Ethereum is going to be going into a strong wave over here, right? Okay. So let's say it gets up here another couple weeks. It's February, and then it's going to go into a correction. It's March. The Fed is going to raise rates in February. Have bad news, right? So Ethereum comes up here. Fed's like, we're going to raise it 25 points. Boom, 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 boom. People are like, oh, look what the Fed did. It lowered Ethereum. And then come in March, it goes up a little bit like this. Here, I'll show you. I'll predict the future for you a little bit like this, right? Something like this could be done. And then just like this. So let's say Ethereum's up there. Powell comes on. He's like, we're going to raise it 25 basis points. We're going to fight inflation. And they go, boom, 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 boom. You see, look what Powell did. And then next thing you know, it's got to do a B wave, right? And it's going up. Oh, look at that. Ethereum's going bullish again. It's going bullish again. It's got to do a C wave now. Back down. Oh, raise rates in March. Boom. And it's back over here. But the thing is that what some people aren't going to realize is that potentially Ethereum could be going into this wave right over here. So a 1, 2, a 1, 2, and then a 3 of a 3. And that you probably don't want to miss that. Okay. That's what I'm kind of checking out. All right. So obviously in a situation where they just keep on blasting up the rates, they're like, forget it. We're going to go up to 8% or something like that. All bets are off. And then, probably just start tumbling down there or something like that, because the reality of it is that nobody's going to go in the market if they hear news like that. Right. Okay. They're just going to be like, forget it, and probably exit out of their Ethereum and drive the price down. That's a potential that could happen. Now with Ethereum, if it is doing this move, guys, think about this, right? You got some altcoins, right? So you got Ethereum. Here's a wave 1, potentially could have bottomed right there, and it's going in, making this sequence right here, right? So this is a main wave over here like that. Okay. Don't count this target. I would say 3,000 or something like that would be a target for Ethereum. So something like, I don't know, like this. Okay. And then you'd be going here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then a correction down like this. Okay. Probably pretty deep. And it could be going into this right here, guys. You don't want to miss that one. You don't want to miss that one. Something like that. That's a little too high, but actually it's probably not too high, but you probably don't want to miss something like that. That's what the setup could be. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Obviously you want to keep bear hat on, you want to keep the bull hat, keep the bear hat on just in case. and keep that bull hat on too, looking for the proper setup. That's what I'm gonna be looking for with Ethereum. Right now, I'm gonna be just checking out Ethereum. Go to a lower time frame right here in 2-hour chart. Actually, let me go to a 4-hour chart. I'm still looking for Ethereum to pop up, see if I'm going to enter into a short, maybe play that a little bit, guys. So here's what I'm looking at. Okay, I'll show you right here, these wave sequences right here. I'll go over this again. I'm checking this out. I'm still thinking right here with Ethereum, it's going to be a little push up, guys. Okay? And your bearish divergence right up there, right? Right up to that spot, like maybe 16, 40, 50 or something like that is what I'd be checking out. Should be a little bit of a correction coming up, but if this the main dump won't be if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that'll just be a dump like maybe to here. But then if this is 1, 2, 3, you got to wait for it to get up there to make that bigger dump is what I'm saying, basically, guys, is what I think. This will just be a little one, back up here, and then a bigger one. That's what I'm checking out. But you really want to see this spike up a little bit. Okay. Unless it's finished. It could be, but that would be a truncated fifth wave, in my opinion. And that would be very unusual for Ethereum. All right, guys, that's the end of my Ethereum video. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.